Hi everyone, so welcome from my channel. Have you ever heard when out of the 5 workers in construction site occur dead due to the work-related accidents? This is rarely true. According to the safety report for the work-related accident in 2019, 21% of the construction workers occurred dead due to the work-related accidents in the United States of America. Actually, the safety in the workplace is the moral responsibility rather than the legal obligations. Unhealthy or unsafe working environments have the great impacts not only on the life of the workers, but also on the success of our organizational goals. Today in this video, I would like to share what are the hazards in the workplace and the 5 strategies to mitigate them based on my research finding in 2020. Now let's start with the meanings of risks and hazard. In my previous video, I've already presented the meanings of the risks. Risks mean the effect of uncertainty. It can derail or deviate the objectives of our organizational goals. So how about the hazard mean? Hazard is a source of origin to find harm or danger to humans or properties or environments. Hazard in the workplace can be occur in different types: physical, chemical, biological, psychological, mechanical, electrical. For example, like radiation, magnetic fields, or the noises in the working environment are the good example of the physical hazard. As the chemical hazard is dependent on the physical, chemical, and the toxic properties of the substances. As the biological hazard, bacteria, virus, insect, birds, plants, animals, and humans are the source of the biological hazard. For any working environment, if there is a condition like stress, violence, or discrimination occur, these conditions can be identified as the psychological hazard in the working environments. Struck by the movements of the falling object in the working environment is a good example of the mechanical hazard. Direct eye contact with radiations or breathing the welding fumes or electrocution is the example of the electrical hazard. Hazard can be classified into the 5 categories based on their index values. If the index values are less than 3, it can be classified as trivial hazard. In this state, it doesn't require any special actions to prevent it. If the index values is between 4 to 6, it can be classified as the variable hazard. In this state, it doesn't require any immediate actions to prevent or detect it. If the index values begin 8 to 10, it requires for predictions and definitions of terms and responsibilities for the implementations of the preventive actions. If the index values are between 12 to 20, it can be classified as the relevant hazard. In this state, if the work is ongoing process and the hazards are controllable, the work may continue under continuous monitoring process. But if the hazards are uncontrollable, the work shall be interrupted until the preventive actions are successfully carried out. If the index values begin greater than 20, it can be classified as an variable hazard. In this state, the work shall not be started. Even the work is ongoing status, it shall be stopped immediately and restarted after the completion of the preventive actions. Now let's start the 5 strategies to mitigate the work-related accidents. Strategy 1. Provisions of trainings and awareness. In any working environments, to mitigate the work-related accidents, the organization required to provide regular safety trainings and awareness programs to all the employees and workers in the working environments, and also need to display the safety signage in the risk areas of the work environments. Strategy 2. Provisions of personal protective equipment. It's very critical to provide the sufficient personal protective equipment (PPE) to all the employees and workers in the working environments based on their working process. and also need to more continuous monitoring process to evaluate the effectiveness of the use of PPE in order to prevent or not the work-related accidents. Strategy 3. Plan to maintain equipment. This also significant to make the regular maintenance schedules for the machineries, tools and equipment in the working environment, and also the calibration plans in order to replace the outdated or the broken equipment and machinery in the working environment. And strategy 4. Action for the emergency preparedness. The organization need to plan the clear evacuation plans to conduct the fire drills and first aid training sections in the working environments. Strategy 5. Improve workplace design. The workplace shall be in proper lighting and ventilation system. If the working condition is in advance, it needs to redesign the ergonomics to reduce the stress and strain in the work environments. In this way, we can plan the proactive actions to mitigate the work-related accidents in our working environments. This is the brief introduction of hazard in the working place and the 5 strategies to mitigate them. If you are interested in more, you're invited to visit my research paper by typing the topics of hazard identifications and risk assessment for the high-rise building construction by failure mode effect analysis and prevented by OHS management system. Thanks for your watching. If you think there is a helpful videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please keep in touch in comments. What strategy do you use to mitigate the work-related accidents in your working environment? See you in the next video.